Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. I'm your host, Slobodan Drvenica, and today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. Lower volumes should be expected on Monday, as a number of countries will observe the second day of Easter holiday. As this is the first week of the month, releases of several reports from the US labor sector will be the key events this week. China's Caixin March manufacturing PMI and US ISM March manufacturing PMI will be the most significant economic releases on Monday. On Tuesday, top economic events will be the minutes of the last policy meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia, German March inflation report, UK March manufacturing PMI, US February JOLTS job openings report, speeches of a couple of FOMC members, and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks report. China's Caixin March Services PMI report will be the highlight of the Asian session on Wednesday. Eurozone March inflation report will be in focus in European session. US ADP March private sector payrolls, US ISM March non-manufacturing PMI, and US Energy Information Administration's weekly crude stocks report will be the top events of the US session. Chinese markets will be closed on Thursday and Friday in observance of National Day holiday. Releases of Eurozone, German, and UK March services PMIs will be in focus in European session on Thursday. US weekly jobless claims and US and Canada's February trade balance will be the highlights of the US session. On Friday, Australia's February trade balance and Eurozone February retail sales will be top events of Asian and European session. US March non-farm payrolls, unemployment, and average earnings will take the center stage during the US session.